Hi, this short video is just going to show you how to join a Zoom meeting. It's pretty simple. If I understand our instructions from Mr. Kobza correctly, we should be receiving an email at some point prior to Monday with our Zoom login information. So this is just a prior Zoom meeting that I've had. So you would just click on the link and I'll do that here in a minute. Or if you want to use Zoom on your phone, you can open up the app and then you just type in this meeting ID number that's here. But we'll say that we are using our computer. So I would just click the link. And then you should get a pop-up and you're just going to say, yep, go ahead and open up Zoom. And so this one isn't a meeting that I own, so it's just waiting for the host of that meeting to join in. But that's really all it takes. Once they do join, then it'll just ask you about your audio and video. And of course, you want to choose both of those coming from your device. So whether you're on your phone or on your computer. So that's pretty simple how to join a Zoom meeting.